So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program in Python to input a sentence and print its initials. So first, I will declare here a variable named sentence in which I will take input of a sentence. So I will write here input, enter a sentence, and then I will make it into uppercase. So I will write here upper sentence equals to sentence dot upper. So this line will transform the sentence into uppercase. And then I will write here words equals to upper sentence dot split. So this will split the words from the sentence. And then I will start a counter, after which I will write here for word in words counter equals to counter plus word index 0. I will explain you again. Let me write. Okay. So this is the program. So let me explain again. So first we have taken an input of a number, and then we have convert to uppercase, and then we have split it into words, and then we have initialized a character counter, and then we have iterated through each word. So when we will enter a sentence like I am Angel, so this loop will go through the every word by word. Means first it will take I, and then M, and then Angel. So this is how it will work. And then it will concatenate the first letter of each word. Okay, so let me run this, then you will get to understand it. Just a minute. Okay, so here we have to enter a sentence like I will enter here I am a full stack web developer. So here you can see it has extracted the first letter of every word. So here is written H, and then I, then M, then E, then F of full, and then S of stack, and then W of web, and then developers T. So this is how you can write a program in Python to input a sentence and print its initials. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.